Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. The Jamaica Football Federation has secured a third friendly match in June for the Reggae Boyz as they will end their Asian tour with a game against Japan's Olympic team on June 12. Jermaine Brown reports.
With Jamaica set to face Japan on June 3 in Sapporo and Serbia on June 7 in Kobe, the Reggae Boyz will have another opportunity to ramp up preparation for the Gold Cup and the 2022 FIFA World Cup qualifiers. They'll also face Japan's Olympic team that will participate at this summer's games in Nagoya. This has led the JFF to name a 30-man squad for the upcoming trio of fixtures. Dylan Barnes and Blair Turgott are the latest overseas additions to the squad. Barnes is a 25-year-old goalkeeper who plies his trade with Queen's Park Rangers in the English Championship, while Turgott is a winger who plies for Östersund in Sweden. The squad also sees the return of veteran national players Andre Blake, Kemar Lawrence, Alvas Powell, Damien Lowe, Corey Burke, Shamar Nicholson, and Bobby Reed. The squad is completed by Adrian Mariappa, Dennis Taylor, Jadine White, Liam Moore, Amari Bell, Wes Harding, Anil Fisher, Ethan Pinnock, Michael Hector, Jashon Anglin, Casey Palmer, Devon Williams, Kevin Lambert, Ravel Morrison, Luca Levy, Tyree McGee, Lamar Walker, Kevon Isaacs, Andre Gray, and Javan East. Head coach of the Reggae Boyz, Theodore Tapper Whitmore, explained the absence of Leon Bailey and Jamal Lowe from the squad.
Leon is an important member of the squad. He's also in good form, and look forward to him joining us. But however, the federation has a policy that to be called, each player have to sign a contract, and that's it. The outstanding matter with Leon, so we hope for a resolution as quick as possible. Jamal Lowe, who has played in the last game, he's out because of personal reason.
Whitmore isn't ruling out further additions to the squad either. West Ham United's Mikel Antonio and Rangers FC's Kemar Roof are next in line to receive Jamaican passports.
We want to see how quick we can handle a certain situation in these players, getting the requisite documentation for us to move on.
JFF President Michael Ricketts remains optimistic that Bailey will sign the updated contract soon.
There's a little bit of a tardiness on behalf of Leon and his management. They have not yet signed the contract. I think we would have gotten a verbal commitment that he would do so in short order.
The 2021 edition of the CONCACAF Gold Cup is set to run from July 10 through to August 1, while the final round of the 2022 World Cup qualifiers is slated to begin in September.